What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how to log in or play multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do it. So first, open up Brawl Stars on your device, and from here you can click on the three bars on the top right corner of your screen and click on Supercell ID. Now, once you're in here, you can go ahead and click on the cog icon right here. And this is going to bring you to your settings. Now, all you have to do is scroll down and here tap on switch account. So once in here, click on login to Supercell ID. And from here, it is going to say welcome back. So just tap on continue. And here you can enter the email that is connected to your Supercell. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and log in to that account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.